Coordinating engineering and manufacturing with multiple departments in various parts of the world isn't easy, especially if you create bills of materials, which can be a nightmare. You have to send emails with Excel attachments, calculate quantities, and extract data from CAD systems. OpenBOM eliminates all of this spreadsheet mess. Let's see how it works. Go to openbom.com and sign up for free. Make sure you fill out all the fields carefully. Then follow the registration process guidance, and your account has been created. You can enhance your account to team mode to simplify communication with your coworkers. Now you can use the system. A new BOM can be created by using one of the menus buttons on the board or by creating an initial BOM from any CAD application. You can edit any of the information about the items. For example, indicate their prices, enter a description, or add the supplier or the lead time. Once your BOM is ready, it will be automatically shared with your team using sharing permissions set by the team administrator. You no longer need to make changes in one program after another manually. Just make your changes in one of them and you're done. Combine data from various sources, check all changes in the history, upload the information to cloud storage, and forget about all those clunky old charts. Check out openbom.com for more details. Sign up for free right now.